Hello guys, today we'll be taking a look at Windows 11. And before I get into the operating system itself, I just want to say, I know I haven't uploaded a video in over a month now. I've just been busy with work and other stuff, but I felt like making a video on this, so yeah, and we've reached over 100 subscribers, so yay! And we have 15,792 views, so almost 1,600, or almost 16,000, I mean. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, enough of with the celebrations and whatnot. Let's get into it. So first of all, Winver, we are in fact on Windows 11. Oh. And this video probably will not tell you anything you don't already know about Windows 11, but I just felt like making a fun video. So I'll start with things I like and things I don't like. So things I like, the visual design is very nice. Like just the start menu alone, like around the corners, everything has this nice blur effect. Everything like the new animations are really nice. The new search interface, the new task view, everything. Actually, this isn't that different, but this is like even like the little icon animations. Like you press this and it like does a cool ripple effect. Same with this, like it's like swirls around, and this like pops in, pops out, and this we'll talk about this now. Actually, the widgets. The widgets is interesting. This is replaces two things. Actually, it replaces the news and interests from Windows 10. Actually, I can show you that right now. I have it hidden. This thing from Windows 10, the news and interests, which showed you like your weather and a bunch of news and whatnot. It's now here, and it also replaces the live tiles we had before, because Windows 11 does not have live tiles, which is surprising because they've been here since Windows 8. And yeah, I actually preferred the live tiles. I don't really like this interface. I don't like how it all apps is its own menu, but I'm not gonna rant. Like I said, first I was gonna say things I like. So what do I like about the new start menu? I like the way it looks, and that's pretty much it. Functionality wise, I think it's worse. This is kind of nice though. It kind of replaces the old time menu. Let's move on to the settings app. The settings app is probably my favorite feature about Windows 11. It is so different, but it is so much better. It looks much nicer. Everything is better organized. These little menus on the side are very nice. All the icons are colorful. Like you go to Windows Update. Sorry if it's a little slow. Just running in the virtual machine, I should mention, as you saw up here. Yeah, VMware. Anyway, like I was just saying, like there's nice icons. This like gradient on the Windows Updates check mark. Click check for updates. This is cool animation that plays here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's not going to find anything. It's already up to date. I like how the background is blurred. It's like shows a wallpaper underneath here. It didn't take forever. We're not going to wait for that. Okay. And yeah, everything is just much nicer in here. Like all the sub menus. You go to, for example, personalization, background. If you go to any section, like subsection, yeah, so you go to background uh, to quickly go. Let's try one more deeper. Let's try one deeper menu. That's not really deeper, is it? Okay. Anyway, you can go back to like accessibility from here. Like I went from personalization to contrasting, so I can click here, go to accessibility. Same thing as clicking here. But yeah, the interface looks much nicer. It's a fresh coat of paint over what looked really, in my opinion, really bad in Windows 10. Another thing, like the taskbar, it's in the center now, and it looks very nice. And I mean, this is one change that people may like or may not like, but I don't know, I like it. And there's always the option to, in fact, just do this, and now it looks like Windows 10. We got all the icons in the same old spot. And over here, we have the new keyboard, which is fun if it would Oh man, okay, there we go. The new keyboard, and it doesn't look that different from the old one, but there is in fact. Okay, so from here, you can just like select a bunch of colors. I believe they will let you pick. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can even do a custom theme right here. You would click here, edit. There we go. You can like pick any color or whatever you want. So just let's just pick this for example, and then you go here, click the keyboard, and it's all colorful. So you can like, oh, see, this is new. You can do like GIFs and emojis and check your copied items. You can search for uh, File Explorer and enter, and it should disappear, but it isn't. And yeah, here we have File Explorer. And oh, here, one new thing in Windows 11. Notice how this is in focus. This is out of focus, but look at the icons. They're red. It's a new it's like a new design language for Windows 11 called Mica or something. I don't want to exactly know what it's called. I think it's called Mica. Anyway, so File Explorer. There isn't too much new in File Explorer. It has new icons here, as you can see, which look nice. And the top ribbon bar is blurry now. Okay. And it has new icons, new context menus. So if we do go to desktop, right click, this right click menu is very different. Everything's animated and looks very nice. Show more options. This looks like what we had before. And yeah, all the folder icons are new too. Like a new folder, uh, folder in a folder might look different as well. Uh, wow, I don't like that. The folder barely shows. Okay, next let's talk about one of the features I'm most excited about is if you hover over the maximize icon, you can do little split snappy views. See, everything is all blur. Everything is like a 4x4 grid. So click here to go to settings, and then you'll put Chrome here. And let's get one more app on here as well, just to finish it off. Microsoft Store. We'll talk about that in a second as well. So once again, we're gonna hover over this and put that over here. And to make it even better, you can do this, and the visuals are a little glitchy right now, but you can do this, and boom, it resizes properly. Same thing going horizontally, which is new to Windows 11. Because on Windows 10, you couldn't really do this vertically like this. This is a very nice feature, man. Let's try one more combination. Let's try this and that. Okay, let's do this over here. And oh, it's gonna recommend a view for me a second ago, but this one over here. And once again, you can just do this to resize all three of them. Very nice, very very nice. I don't think it's gonna help with productivity. Next up, we have Task View, and the animations in Task View are much better than they are in Windows 10. Like, look at this; they're so much smoother, and they don't look broken or anything. And this is with like a weird, like this is not even like a one is set. Oh, okay, the one in the middle is a little weird, but this is the first developer build, so it's very nice. Okay, quickly we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to desktop. Now, if we hover over one of these icons, we'll see there. We'll see a new feature called groups. So if we open this or whatever, this is not part of the group. And I want to go back to my group, I hover over the store, click this, boom, all three of them are here. Open Chrome again. What if I just want to open Microsoft Store? Then I can only open the Microsoft Store. Very nice. The Microsoft Store It is much better. Look at this. It is so much nicer. This nice, like, uh, I don't actually know what they're calling this, but this nice menu on the left show this section over here, and it is quite a bit different. For example, if we click the calendar, we will have the calendar, and up here will be notifications. I don't have any notifications right now, and you can minimize as well. But yes, you have notifications up here. The notifications used to be in the action center, you know, like once again, if we go to Windows 10, click this for notifications, you'll see this is the notifications, and down here will be your quick settings. In Windows 11, notifications are in the calendar, and your quick settings are right here, which is where your Wi-Fi, battery, and sound icons used to be, or are, I should say. And all of those are in one section now. So for sound, you have like the slider for sound, and there'll be slider for brightness, and as well as all the icons are for action items. So we can edit this, add more, click done, remove this, add it back, rearrange these, all that fun stuff. Click here to, yeah, really, all that fun stuff. Oh yeah, one little fun animation is you click this, it mutes, and a little, it kind of slowly mutes and unmutes. So that's fun. Oh, and this, the settings, the gear spins really fast when you go to it. That was fun. Yeah. Okay, so lastly, I will say, to conclude, you may be wondering, should you get Windows 11 right now? I would say no. Don't put Windows 11 on a machine that is your main machine. Only put it on a machine you don't really care about. Or, if you don't have any other machine, just do what I did and put it in a virtual machine. In case anyone was wondering, I am using VMware. And yeah, the reason why I'm using VMware is actually quite important. VirtualBox does not support TM2 support. It doesn't support, so TM2 is Trusted Platform Module. It is some security chip that some motherboards have. Uh, Basically, it is required if you want to get updates to Windows 11. So yeah, you need to get VMware if you want to run Windows 11 and continue getting updates through the inside program. And that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, I was gonna mention things I don't like, but I can't complain yet. It's a first preview. So far, what we're seeing, I quite like, and that is pretty much it.